So hello everyone. In the previous video, I talked about how to write a program in which we have to take value from the user as a character and then write its ASCII value and then convert it from lowercase to an uppercase character. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to write a program which takes an input from the user and then check whether it is a number or a character. If it is a character, determine whether it is an uppercase or it's lowercase. Okay. So here, what is the agenda? We have to write a program which takes an input from the user and then checks whether it is a number or character. Okay. Now the another thing is, if it is a character, then we have to find out whether it is a uppercase character or lowercase. Okay. So for this, I will write all this in comment section. So for this, the concept of nested if else will be uh, executed. So the first task is to write the main heading, that is header files, hash include stadio.h and hash include conio.h, then int main. Okay, now it is clear that we have to take input as a number, as a character, both uppercase and lowercase. So we can use char data type, and the name of the normal variable will be ch, and not a name of the pointer variable will be pch. And this is how a normal variable and a pointer variable is related to each other. Okay, so now we will take the value from the user, enter any character. Okay, now we have to take value from the user and allocate its value in that particular memory block of the variable. So we will use %c. I'm sorry, it's not int type, %c, and we have to solve it using the concept of pointer. So here pch pointer will be used. Now we're gonna use if else statement, nested if else statement, to determine what condition is written by the user. Okay, so now first one is the if. So one thing like to ask to all of you, how we can determine whether a capital or a lowercase character is entered or a number is entered. So a character will be from capital A to capital Z, then it will be uppercase character. Okay. Now if it is from small a to small z, then it will be lowercase. Okay. If it is from 0 to 9, then it will be number. So based on this logic, we will write the code here. So here the pointer is asterisk symbol pch. So we will use that pointer variable name. If pch is greater than equal to, and here the char data type is used, so single and then AND operator. Again pointer variable pch less than equal to capital Z. Okay, so if this condition is true, then this if condition will be executed, and and the statement inside it will be printed on the output screen. So it will be printf /n, and it will be uppercase character are entered by the user. Okay, then in else if statement, if the pointer variable is greater than equal to small a, and I'm sorry, and pch, that the pointer variable is less than equal to small z, then In this condition, this statement will be executed, and the statement which will gonna print on the screen will be lowercase character are entered by the user. Okay, and at last, in the else condition, if both the conditions of if and else if is not true, then there is only one way, that it is number. So either we can use else and directly write printf the number is, sorry, the character is a number, or we can directly write here the number is entered by the user. It will be more good looking to see on the output screen. Or we can use one more condition here, else pointer pch is greater than equal to 0 and pointer pch is less than equal to 9. Okay, so here char data type is used, so we have to use single inverted comma. Yeah, so at last we will again use one one more last else statement, and that will be you have entered a number. Okay, so user has entered the number, so u is used, and at last semicolon, and this is closed, and at last return 0. Okay, so in this way, you can write the code for this condition, and when you will run and compile it, the result will be result will be shown on the output screen. Or the another way is, you don't need to write the condition at the last else statement. You directly have to write else and printf you have entered a number, because it's a common observation that if a character which is not a lowercase, neither it is a uppercase, so there is only one way out, that is it is a number, and the number will always be from 0 to 9. Okay, so that is the last else printf you have entered a number. Okay, so when we'll go to execute option and then compile, here you can see that there is no errors and there is no warnings. Then again go to execute and run. Here for example I write small k, so it is lowercase character are entered by the user. Okay, again we go to execute and run. Here I write capital K, so uppercase character are entered by the user. Here if else statement is working correctly, here again we go to run, that is F10, enter a character. I write 2992. Here it is clearly declared that you have entered a number. So I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel if it was helpful. Thank you guys, and I will join you in the next video. Thank you very much.